All right, guys, you like that little B-roll scene? I hope you did. Check it out, guys. I got a problem with Poa Triv, and this is how I'm gonna fix it. We're gonna cut out the side real quick. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm gonna learn, figure it out, and then hopefully we'll do a tenacity application. If not, I'll show you some B-roll of that, and then we'll hop right into the side. All right, stay tuned. So temps are warming up, so what I don't want to do is give any weeds that might be under there, any weed seeds that might be under there, a chance to germinate. I don't want to do that. So since I don't want to do that, what we're going to have to do is use my good old buddy, tenacity. Oh yeah, one more thing that I did before we jump cut to the next scene is I'm extending this. I'm going to go ahead and extend my flower bed. I'm doing this for two reasons. One, I had issues with this grass along this route anyway. And then two, I want more growing room. I'm not gonna lie, it's no more complicated than that. I just want more room to grow other things. I missed the shot, but there it is, at the side. All right, guys, so check it out. I got my side. Well, I'm gonna till it up a little bit, and then after I till it up a little bit, I'm gonna smooth it back out. I already got rain last night. I have more rain on the way in about 3 days, so this is actually the perfect time for me to go ahead and get this down. Hey guys, I smell the barbecue. I smell it. So that wasn't too bad. I got a little bit more dirt here than I need, so right over here I'll show you a little later on. But we're gonna go ahead and throw down some humic acid, and I thought why not just go ahead and throw down some aerate as well. And of course I need to get her primed. I'm thinking about modding this out this season. My Ryobi, thinking about getting a new wand. Probably will do that. Oh yeah, I'm doing 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet, 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet for humic acid. This isn't 1,000 square feet, this is 300 square feet, so I just put 1 ounce of humic acid. I just did it by a third. And then I also did the same for aerate. Aerate, I believe, is 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So I put in 2 ounces of aerate, threw it in a gallon of water, and I'm just gonna spread it across this roughly 250, 300 square feet. And after that, we'll throw the sod on there, and we should be done for the day, yeah? that was fun. It was really fun. I actually enjoyed that. So I don't think I did too much of a terrible job. Let me know in the comments below how well you think I did. How'd I do for a rookie? You know, this was my first time doing this, so take it easy on me. We're getting it watered in right now, as we should. And then in about a week, I'm hoping most, I'll be able to start feeding the lawn. I'm literally just waiting on Delaware University to send me my test results. It's been about 2 weeks. Actually, I think it's going on 3 weeks. I got my soil test results back within like, I think a week, if that. I think it was maybe like 4 days or something. It was a pretty quick turnaround. But this is the downside of dealing with universities, right? They may be giving me a more encompassing and full, well-rounded test, but it takes some time, guys. So hopefully when I get the test back, because I already know I'm deficient in phosphorus up front, I'm gonna assume that I'm deficient back here as well. Even if I'm not, I'm still going to be throwing some triple phosphate back here to help with that root stimulation and development early in the game. And then we will also be amending it according to what is necessary based off what those soil tests say. Once again, guys, thanks for checking in for another episode of Turf Therapy, where we are healing lawns and souls. And I'll see you next time for your weekly dose of therapy with Rob.